Jaysuing Ginger Nail Treatment markets itself as a natural solution for brittle nails and fungus using ginger extract, vitamin E, jojoba oil, and aloe vera. But a closer look reveals mixed results and limited transparency. Ingredients are reasonable. Ginger and jojoba have antioxidant and moisturizing properties, but the product lacks dosage details and third-party lab testing. Official sales pages show positive reviews, but independent feedback is mixed. Walmart ratings hover around 3.75 with comments ranging from no change to smooth, stronger nails. On Amazon, some buyers rave about healthier nails in a week, while others saw zero effect or even mild irritation. One Honest Snoop Views test after a week found no fungus improvement, calling results miracle claims misleading and pricey. Reddit users appreciate the scent and nourishment, but note it's essentially bulk jojoba oil, sold at a premium with no magic fix. Overall, Jaysuing isn't a clear scam. It does nourish nails, but the lack of clinical studies, inconsistent effects, and high markup mean it's not the miracle cure it claims. If you try it, manage expectations. It may help moisture and strength, but don't expect fungal eradication or fast growth.